Okay, so nilikuwa nasema hivi first of all, if you enter the market, go to the daily time frame. So at the daily time frame, what are you looking? You're looking to the previous day's candle, yesterday's candle, not today. So you're looking to see whether today's candle has broken either high or the low. So here, what am I seeing? I'm seeing today's candle has broken the yesterday's candle high. Are you seeing it? Hope you are getting it. Simple way. So after having that, you are coming to 15 minutes time frame, a low minute time frame. At the low minute time frame, zoom out and see how the market is moving. So this was the yesterday's high, yesterday's low here, and yesterday's high. This is the low, this is the high. So I said this, if you come to the 15 minutes time frame, what are you looking? You're looking for two things. Two break of structure, or two market structure break. What am I seeing here? I'm seeing here one. There is a break of structure here. Or if you can change to a line graph, now that you can't see this candlestick, let me change to a line graph. If you change to a line graph, you can see very many consecutive break of structure. I can see here. Are you seeing this place? There is a break of structure here. Let me try to. There is a break of structure here. Are you seeing this place? There is a break of structure here. Are you seeing that break of structure? There is another break of structure here. Here there is a break of structure. Are you seeing that? So what are you doing here? You have seen 1 and 2. That means, and is an uptrend. So you are buying this market, targeting where? On the daily time frame, the previous daily time frame. So the previous day, what is the previous day high? Like the other on the left now. This is you can target here this high. Are you seeing? This should be a take profit. And stop loss should be below this yesterday's high. Here it will be a stop loss. So target yako it will be here and stop loss will be here. So if you come to the 5 minutes time frame, where are you entering this market from? You're entering this market from after consecutive break of structure. There is a break of structure here. There is a break of structure here. And again there is a break of structure here. So you can enter this market as you can take a stop loss here below this point. You are done. That is for today's jump 75. Let me go to another market. Let me pick a random market. Like let me pick jump 10. Let me clear everything. We're just picking a random market and hope you are listening very keenly. So I'll go to the daily time frame. So at the daily time frame, what am I looking? I'm looking to yesterday's candlestick. So yesterday candlestick, it's here. This is today's candlestick and this was yesterday candlestick. It is here. It's here. So you're marking it very well. So what I'm giving is what we call strategies. These are what we call strategies. So in combination of what I've given you, the liquidity, everything, it's just you apply here. You can look where there is a grab of liquidity, like you're using those things, be creative and apply it on the chart. Are we together? So I saw this market here at 15 minutes time frame. Are you seeing this point? These are the yesterday's high and these are the yesterday's low. So I'm waiting the market to come and break this yesterday's low. It has broken yesterday's low. So I'm looking for two break of structures or the so-called sweep of liquidity sweep and everything at the top part. So I can change it to maybe to a line graph. Are you seeing any break of structure here? consecutive two break of structure. I'm not seeing any break of structure here. What? No, along this leg, I'm not seeing any break of structure. Like I'm talking after the market broke this yesterday's low. I'm not seeing any break of structure here. Like it's not consecutive. Like I want to see something like this one. Like let me say this one, there is a break of structure here. There is another break of structure here. Like it should be giving you a two consecutive break of structure. Or without that, it can give you a sweep of liquidity. I'm not seeing any sweep of liquidity here. So I expected this market should come up to this point at a fair value gap, then give us a rejection on the top part, but it never did so. So this is not a good market to trade. So that's why there's no setup, no trade. So let me go to another one. V50. 150. It was 150. Volatility 150. 1S. So so the same way I'm using in a simple way. So I'm going to the daily time frame. At the daily time frame, I'm looking for simple concern. I'm looking for yesterday candlestick, how it opened. It opened from here, from this point, and it closed at this point. So that was yesterday's candlestick. So what am I looking in the low mini time frame? I can come I can come here at the low mini time frame, or I can minimize. So I'm looking for two things here. I'm looking for two break of structure or a sweep of liquidity. Are you getting my point? So I'm seeing there is a break of structure here. I mean here. Are you seeing this point here? There is a kind of break of structure here. Another one it's here. Another one it's here. Are you seeing my point? So that means I can enter this market from this point as I target the previous day's low. This is a lot of money. You have it. Sure deal. And this is already that I've been using since last week, and it's working. You're getting my point? So if you can change to a candlestick pattern, you can see there is a break of structure, a break of structure. Two break of structure gives you there is a momentum in the market. Consecutive, like it should be like they're breaking structure. And every time I usually draw this thing qua chart, like I normally draw this thing like this, Sharon. You have never learned these highs and lows. Hujai some of these highs and lows. Why can't you take it like seriously? This is a down market. How can you know this is a down market? It should have like a two consecutive uh, highs and lows like that. This is how the selling market looks. Na mkuna notes. This is how the selling market looks. So you are looking for this kind of a setup. Unakuja unachukulia hapa kwa breaker block yako hapa. This is a breaker block now. Here. There is a breaker block. So you are coming and unachukua market yako unakujia hapa. So you'll be selling from this point here. Stop loss inakuwa hapa juu. Take profit you can take at this low. Simple. That's how it's done. So in this are you not seeing any form of a line kama hii line hapo? Uoni hapa imekuja ikapanda juu ikakuja ikashuka, uoni kitu kama hii line hapa? It's not exact as you think. Inaweza si inafanana kama hapa, the same thing that is looking the same like this one. You can change to a line graph or a candlestick or a candlestick pattern like that for you to know if we are finding difficulties in identifying that. So let me analyze another chart for that for once. So let me go to the daily time frame as usual. So I'm looking for a simple thing. I'm looking for a daily time frame. Apple. What I'm doing to you, I'm doing what we call breastfeeding. They mean wapea everything that you deserve, by the way. Anyway, so I'll go to the daily time frame, and at the daily time frame, what am I looking for? I'm looking for yesterday's candle, hii ni ya jana na hii ni ya leo. So nitakuja pale kwa maybe kwa 15 minutes ama 5 minutes. So I'm trying to see how the market broke. You can take this the yesterday's candle. Ngoja. Ukishachora hivyo, you can target this as your take profit hapa juu. And you can see it's an uptrend. So when it's an uptrend, it's an uptrend. So you can come to 15 minutes or 5 minutes pale lower mid time frame. At lower mid time frame, what are you looking? You're looking for two break of structure. Two break of consecutive, two break of structure. Every kwa 15 minutes, 20 consecutive here. So let us go to the line graph. I'm not seeing any after the break hapa juu. I saw ilikuja pale, it never even show something good. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. I saw there is a break of structure here, at least another one, but it went high and it never came back lakini. So it never gave us a good setup. But saying a hit stop loss yetu hii. You're getting the point? Yeah, sometimes when it works, sometimes when it work. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it's working for good. Unaona kama hivi 100. Let me say kwa hapo kwa, as in what I'm trying to explain to you guys, use higher time frame to give you analysis. Even you can go for the weekly time frame. Mkiona kama candle hii the previous week haija close above that, don't go for that market. Ona kama hii ni weekly, kuna hivi 100 hii. The 100 haija the other week haija close above that. That means this week is very consolidating. Hata ukija pale kwa daily, ona venye zinakaa. Ona venye hizi candlesticks zinakaa. Are you seeing these candlesticks are moving? Si candlestick mzuri. Haya, kuja kwa candlestick gani? Hata tu hii jump, hii volatility 75. Unaona vile ina behave ikienda juu ikirudi chini. Ieleweki. Utapata kwa weekly. Unaona? Utapata kwa weekly iko na kitu kama hii. Utapata kwa weekly the candle iko break the previous anything. Unaona hapa? This red candle ya saa hii, it never broke the previous candle high. So as in iko katikati yake. So you should not trade candlestick kama iko katikati yake. Wait it to break high or the low. Unaona? So another point kama hii V75, let me try and see V75 on S. Ona though inapanda, let me see on maybe 1 hour or 30 minutes. Though inapanda, ukiona inapanda vizuri hivi, inamaanisha weekly at least imebreak the previous weeks. Unaona hapa sasa? Unaona hii wiki ya jana hii ni weekly. Unaona hii wiki ya jana. Hii in the last week. Hii ni wiki ya leo imebreak above that week. Sasa tukuja hapa kwa daily time frame. So you are looking for a buy here. So unaangalia venye ili break hapo, imebreak juu. So this market is very good for you to enter. So that's how people wana trading wanaweka na domain juu wako very accurate from the weekly. Mtu ako very accurate kuanzia kwa weekly, daily ako accurate. So hata kama market itakuja loss, haitakuja loss kubwa. We are getting the point? Yeah. So like a step index. Step index, let us come to the daily. To the daily umepata hii market imemove tu vizuri, ijakuwa na story mingi. So ikija kwa weekly utapata it's like it's not let me try and explain to you. Sasa unaona hata kwa weekly though what I'm trying to say, let me delete everything. As in, you should be considering if the candle closes above low, this low ama this high. You getting the point? So hapo market itakuwa na kusumbua consolidate sana. You are getting my point? So in short, you are using this the so called nini niliwapea hapa, kuna kitu niliwatumia hapa. Like, and you guys you don't, there is something that I sent to you hapa. nimetuma pale tena kwa group pale. I've just forwarded tena kwa group yetu tena bado. This one. If you can see that thing, hebu enda kwa WhatsApp pale kwa group. I want you to open that diagram natuma pale. Hapo juu kuna dotted line inasema PDH. Are you seeing that PDH? PDH means previous day's high. If it fails to break that na ikuje chini ionde break of structure, you'll enter that market at the breaker block and the fair value gap. Then you target the previous day's low as your take profit. Simple way. You're getting my point? Najime kuchanganya sana. Like wewe Sharon ulikuwa unafuta unapata tu profit, but you don't know where it's coming from. I think now you can get my point. So let me look like the jump 100. Jump 100 throughout the day. You can see at the week, on a week, you can see the previous week ili close above it, ili close, ilichukua liquidity huku juu na inaanza kusell pale. So this explains that this market is a selling market. Una get? So ukikuja kwa daily, you just confirming venye market inaenda. Like kama jana ama kama leo tungechora hapo kwa daily yesterday's candles hapa, tuchore hapo hivyo. Na atuone screen yangu. Atuone screen yangu. Wewe restart simu yako. So if usha identify the previous day's high and low, so unakuja kwa 15 minutes time frame ama 5 minutes time frame. So what are you looking at that point? Simu yako ndio iko na shida. Simu yako ndio iko na shida. Ni screen yangu aje na nimeshare screen. Wewe screen yangu inaonekana iko sawa bwana. I've shared my screen. So after it broke this point, like after it broke the previous day's low, ndio yesterday's low, hapa ni high, hapa ni low. So after it has broken this low, are you seeing ime break this low hapa na hapa? So you are waiting for two break of structures. Ime break hapa na body, imekuja pale, there is a break of structure here. Like hata hii break of structure, break of structure can be in two ways. Hiyo unajua kama kawaida na kuna failure swing. So hii ni failure swing. Like haijafika juu ka break juu kienda. Imekuja ka respect na imekuja pia ika break hapa. So these are failure swing, like ni kama hiyo ni mbili. So nango unachoranga hivi maline, unachora hivi line. So hii ni failure swing na kuna break of structure here. So I will be entering this market from this point hapa. This is my order block. This here as my order block hapa. I'll be entering this market nikitarget the previous days high, like the previous days nini, the previous day candle naweza chukua wapi? I can pick here, but unasimanga kwa body iko sawa, but you can pick here. So inakuja na take profit yako vizuri sana. So hapo umetarget market in a bigger way. So you'll be milking this market vibaya sana. Umeona venye umekuja na unapata market vizuri sana. So imagine ukiingilia na hapa, market ina travel vizuri sana. Haina story mingi kwa market. So that's how trading is done in a simplest way. You're getting my point? Yeah. So kama mtu kuna swali na aulize, then you call it a day. Kama uko na swali unaweza uliza. We call it a day. Let me analyze the 25 1s. So let me zoom kabisa and delete everything. In the morning I never saw anything on V25 1s. So what you are doing here is simple way. Kuja kwa candlestick ya jana, draw something like that. Simple. So kisha draw something like that. Aya, kuja highs and low. So una expect hii market i break this high hapa. So ikisha break pale unakuja kwa M15. M15 you're looking for two ways. You're looking for iki-break structure na retest. So in short you're looking for two break of structure, two confirmations. Hapa unaona hapa it broke, it came down hapa kwa order block, it broke, it came down, but I don't trade the 25 1s. Jiko very volatile kaa kitu kingine. You getting my point? Hii retest kidogo hii inakula dola zao karibu 15 ama 20. Hii tu kidogo hii. So avoid this V25 1s at all costs. Yeah, I think you have understood what I'm trying to tell you. So let me look at V75 for today's market. It was simple. So V75, what we are doing today, it was a buy to certain point, but allow me to explain why I sold that market. So hapo unafanyaje? Unakuja kwa nini candlestick ya jana hapa, unachora hivyo, you do your markup au polepole na chini yake. You getting my point? Yes. So after marking that markup, unakuja kwa, let me say M15 ama M5. So pale unaangalia two things: break of structure, to consecutive break of structure, ama there is a sweep of liquidity. So hapo umeona kitu moja, hii ime break structure, inafaa break na body, ime break structure hapa. Unaona hapa ime break structure hapa, but we are looking for ikisha break structure ikuje juu na iretest na hapa kwa hii fair value gap iende juu. You getting my point? Let me try to draw that thing. I'm not seeing a valid, there is a break of structure here, so I was waiting for the one to come up to this point, then goes up, but it never gave me two break of structure. What it gave me is just simple, ili after ika break hii structure ikakuja na in liquidity on the lower minute time frame. Hasa hii break of structure start ime break hapa. Break of structure ina happen aje? Iki break inakuja na respect na inaenda juu, but iki break hapa ime break hii structure na ikuja sell chini, hiyo ni liquidity. You get my point? And that's why when you break hapa na ikakuja hapa chini ukaniambianga ati I'm seeing sales in V75 for Sharon, I knew this market will come back to this fair value gap hapa, at this fair value gap. If it will come back to this fair value gap, it will be selling up to this down, this low, this place hapa chini. Ndio nikapeana my take profit wapi? Hapa. You getting the point? Ndio maana imefika hapa, imeanza kufanya ma retest hapa sasa. So nilijua itafika paka pale na tukaanza. So I saw hapa nilianza kuuza na hapa at this point, if you can remember very well. So ndio ninaanza kusema ati inaanza kupanda. I thought it will come up to this order block hapa. Ilifika hapa, nilidhani ilifika kwa order block hapa ikaanza kusell hapa. Unaona hii order block hii? This order block hapa. I thought it came mpaka hii point hapa nianze kusell. Ndio maana nikapeana my stop loss juu ya hii nini? Hapa juu yake hapa. Stop loss was here, then take profit was down here. So that means if it can come back up to this point, if fill hii BPR hapa. Hii BPR. Two fair value gaps, kuna hii na kuna hii. So if it can come up to this point, we can avoid this loss, and that's what I can tell you guys.